All right, hello, everybody. Mr. Horde here. So in this first of my several how-to videos, probably the only required video I'm going to make for you. I say probably because at this exact moment, I don't know if I'm going to require any of these other ones. But anyway, in this first one, I want to go over with you on how to properly organize your Google Drive. So I have my Google Drive pulled up here on screen. I see I've got several folders at the top, and we get scrolling through here. There's a number of different documents, and some of them I honestly don't quite know anymore what they are because I have not gone back through to clear this up from last school year. So yours might be similar to this. Maybe you have a whole bunch more stuff because you have no folders whatsoever, or maybe you're brand new to the district and you have absolutely nothing in this Google Drive of yours at all. My goal with this is to help you better organize the content here, because I know for my class alone, maybe some of your other courses, I can't speak for them, but for mine, we're going to do a lot with Google Docs and slides and whatnot throughout the course of the school year. So instead of making it a cluttered mess of trying to find stuff, I'm going to show you how to better organize this. Now, for those of you that have been here before in the district, you might have a folder already right here, Franklin Township Community School Corporation, that you may or may not have ever noticed before. This is an automatically created folder by Canvas. So you see I have several in here from all the different courses that I've made. Several of these were practice ones, they're not real courses anyway. This one here, last school year. Any assignment that I've made in the past where there's a document provided in it would show up here. But the problem is it's a big hot mess. It's not organized at all other than all of these numbers because I number my documents to keep them in order. Well, as we go through from unit to unit, those numbers all start from the beginning with 1 all the way down to whatever. It's going to make a hot mess. So we want to try and do something to clean this up. So essentially what I'm going to go through here is how to make folders. So if you know how to do this, you can go ahead and pause and skip ahead. For those of you that don't know how to do so, let me show you. First, you click on New. And obviously you want to click on Folder. So here you're going to give it a name. And I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to call mine Social Studies, or how I abbreviate it for SoStuds. And create. So there, now we've got our folder. We can change the color. Sorry. If you come here and right click on that tab, come down to change color. Let's go with, I don't like bubblegum, but we'll go with that color, bubblegum. And you'll also notice that up here I have these 3 that are numbered because I want them to show up right away, because default for Google Drive is by name in alphabetical order. So I'm going to come back, right click on this. I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to give it a number of 4. So there it's at the top of all of my folders. So if you have multiple folders, this helps to organize that a little bit quicker as well. Okay, so double click on that. So I'm in my social studies folder, and there's nothing there. So what I want you to do in here, so those of you that know how to make a folder, you can easily go ahead and do this, is I want you to make 12 specific folders of this school year. And I want you to simply call it Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, all the way up to Unit 12. So File, New Folder, Unit 1, Create. And I just want you to just go on through to make 12 of these. So I'm actually going to pause at this moment too to go and do that. Okay, welcome back. So I've got my 12 folders. Hopefully you have your 12 folders as well, similar to this. Now, if you really want to get into it, again, you can change the colors right here. If you want to get more into it, if you want, get rid of that. I've got this extension for adding emojis to what I type. So make it extra fancy unit 11, which then now bumps it up there because it's now sort of not in order anymore, but whatever. You get the idea. You can kind of customize it however you wish. So you've got these folders. You can also go back and name them based off the specific units if you want, but right now I'm not concerned with that because it's going to be somewhat time consuming just to make them. So we've got our folders. That's the main thing I wanted to focus on in this first video for you right here. So in the next part of this video that I have series for you is going to be excuse me, about moving your documents into these folders, and then 2, starring your documents to make it a little bit easier to go back and find them. So that's all for this first one. Thank you. And now you know how to make folders in Google Drive to hopefully make your life a little bit easier. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.